Light microscopes were the first microscopes invented, and they continue to be the most used type. To understand light microscopy, we must consider the way lenses bend and focus light to form images. Eyepiece. The eyepiece is the lens closest to the eye, where the user looks into the microscope to view the magnified specimen. It is typically a small lens that can be adjusted to provide the proper magnification and focus for the observer. Microscope eyepieces come in different magnification powers, such as 10x or 20x, and can be monocular, one lens, or binocular, two lenses. They may also have additional features, such as adjustable eye relief to accommodate different users' eye positions, or a pointer to mark a specific area of interest in the specimen. The eyepiece works in conjunction with the objective lens, which is located closer to the specimen and collects the light from the sample to form the initial magnified image. The eyepiece then magnifies this image further and allows the user to view the specimen in greater detail. Overall, the eyepiece is a crucial component of a microscope, as it determines the final magnification and image quality seen by the user.